Hello, and welcome to Team 2021. We're Ricksoft, an Atlassian app vendor, and we develop apps that power up your project management capabilities. Are you a project manager at an enterprise, still wondering about the best way to unleash your team's full potential? Or maybe your team members have repeatedly complained about sudden blockers popping up right in the middle of a task. We get it. Managing projects and completing tasks to deliver value to customers can be difficult, but it's downright impossible without strong teamwork. Besides being an Atlassian app vendor that makes awesome solutions for empowering collaboration and productivity, we also have teams working in our own company. So we know a thing or two about teamwork. We believe that enabling great teamwork boils down to 5 factors, and they are planning, communication, ownership and accountability, transparency, as well as recognition. The good news is that you can easily achieve them using Atlassian Jira, and then take it one step further using our app, WBS Gantt chart for Jira. So let's go through them one by one. The first factor is planning. With proper planning, managing your team's expectations becomes a breeze. Employees understand their responsibilities better, and when everyone on the team knows what's going to happen and who will be involved, there's a stronger sense of cooperation. In Jira, the backlog is one thing that helps with planning. With the whole ritual of backlog grooming, you can plan how these tasks are completed, either incrementally or iteratively. When it comes to planning projects, you can't go wrong with a Gantt chart. It's a visual project plan that allows you to really break down a large piece of work into smaller, actionable tasks. With our flagship app, WBS Gantt chart for Jira, you can do exactly that. Use the work breakdown structure, WBS, to break down big project objectives into hierarchical tasks. Teams will then know what needs to be done to accomplish those objectives. With a clear plan, they're empowered to collaborate together. Next is communication. Effective communication allows team members to have a strong understanding about project objectives, so work can happen pretty smoothly. In Jira, communication is made easy through features like comments and tags. For instance, a simple tag in a comment can keep related people in the loop. But what about those teams that are located outside of the Atlassian ecosystem? Nurturing cross-platform collaboration with them is equally important. Using our app, you can export and share Gantt charts into other formats like Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Project. Awesome news for non-agile teams. The third factor that's critical for teamwork is ownership and accountability. If ownership is letting teams take the initiative, accountability is them being responsible for the quality of the outcomes. Together, your team members are encouraged to unleash their full potential to reach shared goals. In Jira, you can achieve this easily by assigning issues or even an entire project to your employees, and then let them work their magic. That said, obviously you must still keep an eye on the overall project progress and team performance. This is where the Gantt chart comes in handy again. With it, you can see the progress of large projects as well as the smaller tasks within them, all at a glance. If some tasks are behind schedule, check in with your team. The fourth factor is transparency. In the current situation where working remotely is the norm, transparency is especially important to strengthen team collaboration. It allows everyone to be on the same page and make informed decisions. The thing with Jira is that most of its features contribute to team transparency. For example, a comment thread can shed light onto everything that has happened with a task. Or you can visualize project progress using a Kanban board. But you can take it to the next level through dependency visualization. By visualizing how tasks affect one another, employees can take part in a collaborative workflow. Employees will be more mindful of how their task can impact other team members' tasks and overall project success. The last factor that plays a part in teamwork is recognition. Acknowledging and rewarding your team for their contributions provides positive reinforcement, which results in stronger teamwork and greater performance. So identify and celebrate your team wins. Successfully delivered a feature? That counts as a win. You can also make use of Jira metrics like velocity and sprint burndown to acknowledge their good performance. Using our WBS Gantt chart for Jira app, you can set milestones within your Gantt chart. And when your team has successfully reached them, it's time for a celebration. Teamwork is hard work, but it also makes the dream work. We hope that you've learned how to fine-tune teamwork using Jira and our Gantt chart app. Stick around for more insights to accelerate collaboration from the rest of the Team 2021 event. And while you're at it, visit the Atlassian Marketplace to learn more about our apps or to start your 30-day free trial.